I've arranged this meeting with you here today because history is calling us. The world has reached a critical juncture. They need respected voices from the past, like you and me, to step forward and provide insight and guidance.
I've noticed that the leaders of the world today seem to be struggling a bit, but I don't understand all this modern technology they use. Computers, the internet, cell phones, social networks. It's all gotten so complex. Have you got something specific in mind?
I do. I've thought deeply about their problems and reduced them to their essence.
That's a good start. But of all their problems, which one is the most important?
Economic inequality.
Why economic inequality? Why not peace, or silence, or education?
Because it's the most fundamental problem. The awareness this is spreading through popular protest, economic analysis, and political dialogue. Now have all converged on this issue.
Okay, what can be done about it?
Technology today has advanced to a point where a solution to this problem is possible without any political battles.
Without political struggle, I don't see how any historic change can be achieved without political struggle.
It can be accomplished by a rethinking of the system.
The system? What system?
The money and banking system. They don't have to dismantle their existing system. They can simply create a parallel money and banking system that becomes layered upon the old system, making it more efficient, more equitable and more empowering for those who have been left behind, economically.
Intriguing idea. How could that be accomplished?
Their big problem is that the operating system for their global economy has deep and fundamental flaws. Young tech entrepreneurs have changed the course of history, without political struggle. By disrupting major industries, they have created revolutions with their knowledge and engineering ingenuity. They have democratized the media. And if they set their mind to it, they can change the way money is apportioned in society.
Yes, the rich so seem to have rigged the system. But what can be done about it, specifically?
Specifically, they need to rethink the most powerful tool ever created by humans.
What is the most powerful tool ever created by humans?
Money. The code that is programmed into money affects motivations in nearly every aspect of society.
Code. What is code?
Code is the stuff of the system. It's what gets programmed into the motivations of people through their daily economic interactions through markets.
That's good thinking.
No, it's not good thinking. It's faulty thinking because the code they've programmed into their money and banking system is flawed. They cannot solve their problems with the same kind of thinking and same kind of money system that created them. So they need new kinds of money that are imbued with values, as well as being imbued with value.
I think I see where you're headed with this. Tell me more.
Today markets only value what can be measured. If something cannot be measured, it has no economic value to people in today's world. But new kinds of money will enable people to measure things that current markets ignore, like the value of community, the value of a healthy environment, the value of all the things you and I stood for in our lives.
Highly abstract, but I like it. What would be accomplished by introducing new kinds of money into the system?
The institutions that are given to power to create money occupy the central power position in society. Kings used to create money. Today banks create money. Tomorrow social banks will also have the power to create money. New kinds of money.
I suppose. It is an intriguing idea. And there would be many different social banks would all be producing their own currencies. Could a peace center become a social bank and produce peace dollars?
Absolutely. Internet companies, social networks, non-profits, schools, universities, hospitals, foundations, small businesses, major retailers, even government agencies would all be empowered by this system to create their own kinds of new money. And all these forms of money would be interoperable with each other and with dollars currently circulating.
Very creative and insightful. But what has really been accomplished here? How does this address the core issue of economic inequality?
It addresses it at the most fundamental level, by democratizing the power to create money. This parallel money and banking system would be decentralized, and it would be economically empowering to all kinds of institutions that are vital to a society's long-term ability to survive and thrive.
And how does this change the rules of the money game?
It changes those rules by creating new markets that now can measure what old markets could not measure. Remember, not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts. Markets only count things that are measured in cold numbers. With new money introduced by social banks, markets would have a mechanism to measure, manage and monetize the things that are really important in society.
I like it. Where can I learn more?
Go to the Credit Commons website at creditcommons.com.